How you can launch a Wix website. So there are few things that you need to keep in mind before publishing your Wix store to the public. So the first and the most important step is you need to make sure to preview your site before launching, because this will going to allow you to support any discrepancies and make necessary adjustment. Next thing is make sure that all the links are working and they are not broken, because if any of the product page or any other broken link is included in your site, this is going to lead to a poor user experience. So you need to make sure that no link is broken into your website. Also make sure that each page has a unique title and description, and also optimize for Google searches. Another thing is you need to make sure to preview your site in a mobile interface, because most of your audience is going to using mobile for purchasing orders. Next step is you need to make sure to have your own custom domain so that your customers can find you easily with your own store and branding name. At the end, before publishing your store, make sure that all the spellings and grammar that is used in your website is correct. So that's the way of how you can launch a Wix website.